want you guys to see that. Ooh. Oh, hey. Today is filming day. I'm gonna take you guys on a behind the scenes journey with me. There's a lot of planning that goes along when I'm filming. I plan to accomplish 4 episodes today. That's 4 different recipes. It's gonna be nice, flavorful, and fun. Let's go. Let's get it. So my first stop here is at my kitchen, where my catering facilities. We're gonna walk on up here to try to get all of the stuff printed out. I got some ingredients I need to get from here as well. This is Floridian cuisine with Chef Winston. We're about to turn it up, flavor it up, and have a lot of fun this time around on this season. Stay with me, get your notepad, pay attention, let's get to cooking. Well, the day has came to an end. I took you guys on a behind the scenes journey with me. There's a lot of things that happen behind the scenes, and I'm still not done. I did 4 episodes today. Started 7:30 this morning. Right now it's about 6:25, going into the evening. Nightfall is about to set. This has been an all-day production situation for me. Oh my goodness. Much more coming your way. All of the hard work that goes behind the scenes, the editing. Editing is next. I'm gonna send this over to the editors. I got 2 editors that I work with, and I gotta approve all of this stuff. So from the prepping, the shopping, the menu writing, the filming, the stopping, the cuts, and all this extra stuff, there's a lot that goes behind the scenes just to bring you guys a final product, to show you guys all the hard work behind this. Hoping you guys will at least just give me a like, subscribe, and make a comment. All right? See you every Tuesday night. Behind the scenes, this is what this was. Cheers.